Hello, welcome to this week's weekly outlook. Took a few weeks off, but now we're back. Looking for CAD yen. It is in a nice area, a market extreme. So we have support over here, resistance, support, and we're just at this market extreme now. Looking for some buying opportunities just to bring it up to the next level of support and resistance. We'll look and see what's contained in the upside on the H1 chart. We have confirmed resistance here. We have broke that and we're getting this pullback. But what is important to note is also this support and resistance here. We were looking to buy this in the group last week, but alas we didn't get a break above this region, so no trade. And that just carries on into next week's, or this week, sorry. So looking for a H1 close above this support and resistance on the H1, and just to bring it back up into that level on the higher time frames. Could be these lows. Let me just zoom out a little bit and we'll get a clearer read. So around this level of support and resistance, something like that. That's where I'll take most of the trade off and then see if we can break above that and maybe go even higher. But CAD yen coming into a nice level of support. You can see some heavy buying come into the market last time we hit this level. We're having a little bit of consolidation. Hopefully once it breaks out of that, we do go higher on CAD yen. Let's take a look at EURUSD. Haven't had a trade in this in a while, but some nice price action unfolding. Been following this little channel for quite some time. Price just bouncing from one level to the next, and then we finally got this push outside. So I'm going to monitor this pullback into this support and resistance. Let me just highlight this for you so you can see it a little bit clearer. This level, support. I have some support here. So price coming up into this level, I'll monitor price action and see if we can get a selling opportunity out of EURUSD. At the minute there's no real structure on the H1. It's just quite a steep pullback, but hopefully as price develops for the week we could get some structure, break of structure, and get involved with that to the downside. But at the moment I just want to draw your attention to this level. I'll put it on your screen so you can put it on your own charts if you wish to trade this pair. Let's move on to dollar yen. Actually, we had a nice trade on this last week in the group. If you want to join the group, you can. Link will be in the description. I just post daily videos and daily trade setups. We'll quickly go over dollar yen. Higher time frame level come from the weekly support. Last week, the group we bought this. We followed structure down, resistance into this higher time frame level, broke out of it, bought Monday's high, and price went higher for nice profits. At the moment, because I'm bullish this, I'll be looking for a pullback this week. Look for a similar sort of setup regarding structure, and try and buy dollar yen as well. So still a lot of price action to unfold before I get involved with this. Obviously we let Monday unfold as well, but looking for a little bit of a pullback in this just to get us involved again. Similar with dollar CAD actually. We'll start off with the monthly, point out this massive swing point of resistance here, and you see how relevant this level is going across the market. We'll have a look at the weekly as well. As you know, the group have been buyers at this support level down here for some time, up into this level, but now we're at a bit of a turning point. We have support and resistance on the weekly, so you can see here resistance, support, and we're just underneath this. So we could get a pullback, but what I am anticipating, or what I prefer to happen, is if we get a close above that to go higher. If we take a look at the H1, these are the levels that I'll put on your screen. we can get a structured pullback down into these levels, and I'll look for a break of structure to the upside, and I'll try and implement Monday's ranges to get involved. But overall, pretty bullish on dollar CAD. We'll have to let Monday unfold, a little bit more price action. We do have previous week's highs acting as resistance, so H1 close above there could be enough, but we'll have to see how this pullback, we can start making lower lows and we can break structure. That would be enough for me. Let's finish with New Zealand CAD. Quite a nice trade on this last week. We'll go over it again, as I think could be the start of a massive downtrend. But monthly we have this channel and that the group's been watching for a while. Resistance. Now, well, we were looking and hoping that this would hold as resistance. We also have support and resistance here. So at a key level, a market extreme, that's where you want to be trading. Up here, we followed structure up last week. What was holding the market up into this key level here? Support, broke down, used Monday's low to get in, and quite a nice trade. You'll see me post it on Twitter. So still bearish this, and looking for a little bit more price action to see. So we want price to pull back to get involved to the downside. I am aware if we go to the daily of this little shelf of support and resistance here, support. So on the higher time frame daily, and daily close below there would also trigger shorts, but trying to get in early on the lower time frames to get involved with this. I'll be my bearish bias will hold for quite some time whilst this monthly level holds. So looking for downside New Zealand CAD, and that's your lot for this week. And as I say, if you want to join the group, you get more daily videos twice, and you get charts and trade ideas. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to give it a like, subscribe, that'd be great, and wishing you a profitable week.